Lenvii LV-399B Bluetooth Thermal Printer Using Tutorial. Step 1. Unpack the box. After purchasing Lenvii LV-399B Bluetooth Thermal Printer, you will receive an operation manual, an LV-399B Bluetooth Thermal Printer, a roll of label paper, a charging line, a USB cable. Step 2. Pack the paper. Press the blue button on the right side of the printer. Take out the reel of paper. Install the label paper on the reel. Be sure to push the label to the far right for sensor sensing. Press the print button to ensure that the printer runs properly. Step 3. Connect your phone to your printer. Open the App Store. Find the M-Label app. Download and open. Click Settings. Click Go to Login. Sign up for an account via email. Click on the printer icon on Bluetooth and find the LV-399B printer. The phone and printer are connected. Step 4. Print labels. Click on the plus. Set the label size. Edit the label style you want. After editing, click on the print icon. Choose the type of print you want. Enter the number of copies to be printed. The printer will print out the label. Step 5. Print the receipt. Replace label paper with receipt paper. Press the Settings button on the printer. Find the type of paper. Change the default label mode to ticket mode. Change the default TSPL mode to ESC pass mode. Press the switch button to confirm. Open the M-Label app. Click Settings. Click Receipt Model to switch to receipt mode. Click Edit Template. Choose paper size. Click on the plus to start editing the receipt style you want. After editing, click Print. Choose the LV-399B printer. You can print out the receipts you want. If you have any questions while using the printer, please contact us. Thanks for watching.